Whirlpool has acquired Yummly, a recipe app, and significantly enhanced what it can do. So now it really can guide you through the entire cooking process, from not only identifying what you have, but what you can make with it, and it will even control your appliances and preset them to the right temperatures. So we're going to give a little demo of how it actually works. So when you first open the app, the camera will identify things that you have in your fridge. So for example, on the table here, we have some asparagus and salmon and some potatoes. So you just basically point the app at these things, and you can see it'll identify the various ingredients, and then it will pull up recipes down below that incorporate all those ingredients. And then you can pick one, say sheet pan salmon here, and it will guide you through every step, including how to, say, chop the asparagus or the potatoes. And as you're going through, preheating the oven, if you have a Whirlpool appliance that's compatible with this app, and it'll time all the different steps in the recipe. So it's really, helpful for people who aren't that accustomed to cooking on their own, who need a little guidance in the kitchen. It's going to be out later this spring. Of course, you're going to need to buy a compatible Whirlpool appliance to get all the functionality of the preheating and stuff like that. So it should be a fairly robust system, even if you don't have a Whirlpool appliance. It'll be interesting to test this out myself when it's available. In the meantime, this is Mike Prospero for Tom's Guide at CES 2018.